Hi, and most welcome again to another episode of Where to Get Emergency Loans. So, today we are going to talk about 5 places you can get an emergency loan in case you need it. So, we know that times are hard, things are very expensive at the moment, and some of us wake up very early in the morning, go outside there, work so hard at least to meet ends, but you end up coming back in the evening with nothing. Some of us also want to start these businesses that maybe ideas that you have in mind, but you don't know where to get the loans, right? Guess what? I'm here to solve that, right? In case this is your first time here, my name is Doreen. This is Top Vlogs. In Top Vlogs, we talk about loans, we talk about real estate, we talk about best business ideas, we talk about websites that you can just work and get paid either daily, weekly, or monthly, right? We talk about anything that revolves finance. So, in case these are the kind of videos that you're always looking forward for, please just grab that seat, watch this video until the end, and also become a sub by subscribing to this channel. The subscription button is just on your left or right, depending on what you're watching me with, right? So you ask yourself, why does this girl always tell us, subscribe to this channel? Guess what? Whenever or wherever you become a member of this family, YouTube will always send you a notification whenever I do a video. And guess what? If this one did not help you, maybe my next one or my previous videos will be of help to you, right? So become a family by subscribing to this channel. And if this is your second time or you're just returning to see my videos, most welcome back and thank you for the support. Thank you for 10K subscribers, right? Please don't forget also to like this video. So let's jump into today's topic. Where can you get an emergency loan in case you have that urge, right? I'll talk about apps today because I know that apps are easy to access. If you're watching me, definitely it's either you're using a computer, you're using your Android phone or wherever, right? So I'll specify today with apps. You can get all the apps that I'm going to talk about on Play Store, right? So if you have that internet and Android phone, you can always check on this app. So the first one is called Tiffy. So Tiffy has a blue logo, a combination of blue and some yellow. The reason why I talk about logos is because you'll get so many people imitating these apps on Play Store and you'll end up maybe falling for scams, right? So don't pay for any app front fee before you get the loan, unless these people are deducting this service fee from their loan that they're going to send to you, right? So Tiffy has a blue logo. It's rated 3.6. The reason I also talk about rating, it's because when an app is rated above 3, it means that that app is so good and maybe people are just commenting on it or recommending it to others because maybe they have gotten the help that they needed, right? So it is rated 3.6 stars. You can also find it, you can get the loan if you are 18 to 60 years of age. Their APR is 12%, right? Which is so good. They're giving a loan of up to 100,000 Kenyan shillings, right? From 3,000 to 100 Kenyan shillings to 100,000 Kenyan shillings, right? So that's a good amount and you can always check on it. The only thing you need to do is to just to download the app and the key in the details that they're asking you. It's so simple because it's always self-explanatory. So the tenor is that 361 days, that is 1 year, right? Yeah, so if you want to get in touch with you can contact them through help@tiffyslice.com. For those people who are new and they're seeing me looking down, it's because I always have a diary. Definitely I'm human. I can't keep everything in my head, so sometimes I have to do research and write it down so that I'll not miss on those important points that I want to share. So you can contact them at help@tiffyslice.com, right? The age must be 18 to 60 years and above. So if you're below 18 or if you are above 60, definitely that's the reason why you have not been getting these loans, right? So that app, you can find it on Play Store, right? App number 2 is called Cashbean. Cashbean is KASH. Bean is BEEN, right? Cashbean, it has a blue yellow logo also. You can find it on Play Store either through your computer or your phone, right? So it's rated 4.3 stars. Wow, that's so good. Any app that is rated above 4, it's always a good app and you can always try because it's going to give you a loan, right? Trust me, you. Unless you've been taking loans and you've not been paying them, right? Yeah, so it's rated 4.3. They're giving out a loan amount of 1,500 to 80,000 Kenyan shillings. Guess what? If you're in need of these loans, just get the loans and repay them because they'll always how do we call it? They'll always raise their limit, and you're going to get a bigger amount when you go there the next time, right? Their tenor is 91 to 365 days. Their APR is 36%. They're giving out loan amount to people who are 18 to 60 years of age. Right, so you can also go and try it. If you want to contact them, you can contact them through help@cashbean.co.ke. When you always hear a word of when you hear about .co.ke, just know that these people have a website. So you can, apart from you finding them on Play Store, you can always go and check on their website, right? Yeah, so the third one is Zuri Cash. So Zuri Cash has a purple logo. And guess what? Before I explain about Zuri, if you've been watching me until now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, because we'll always support this channel by moving it to another level, right? Yeah, so Zuri Cash has purple logo, and the advantage about Zuri is that Zuri has two products in it. So if one denies you a loan, you can always check on the second one. But now the keying in of your data or the details that you have keyed in will determine if the first loan will deny you and the second loan will give it to you, or both of them can give to you depending on the details that you shared with them. So be careful when you're filling these things. Just don't fill things just to fill them, right? Make sure at least you know what you're doing. So it's rated 4 stars, which is a good app, definitely. It has a white purple compare. Okay, it has a purple and white combination as a logo, right? Yeah, so they're giving out a loan amount of 500 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings. Their tenor is 91 to 365. Their APR is 18 to 36%. You must be 20 to 60 years of age, right? So for those people who are 18, you went for Zuri Cash and they denied you. That's simply because you are not of age. So you must be 20 to 60 years of age, right? So if you want to contact them, they have a phone number. You can contact them through 0746 82 65 20. 0746 82 65 20. You can also send them an email at zurikashcskh@gmail.com. Zurikashcskh. CSKH is on in capital. Just go and find zurikashcskh@gmail.com, right? So when you hear of Gmail, just know that these people don't have a website, but all the details that I'm talking about, you can find them on Play Store on the About section, right? Yeah, so the fourth one is called Timiza. So Timiza is under Barclays Bank. You can always check on it. You can dial *844#, or you can just download the app. No, sorry, it's not under. Okay, it's under ABSA. Sorry, it's under ABSA because I think the bank was renamed to ABSA, something like that, or I don't know. So it's Timiza, it's under ABSA Group Limited. It's rated 4 stars, meaning that this is so cool. And guess what? It's under a bank, and it's not a must you have the bank account, account with them. You can just open one through dialing or through the app and register. Their tenor is 30 days, and you can save. Actually, they're giving you a chance to save. You can save as you're taking the loan. You can also save if you don't want to save as you take the loan. You can just go direct and take the loan. But nowadays, they're limiting a little bit, and they're giving out a loan amount of up to 100,000 in minutes. Right? Yeah, so you can just check them on Play Store. They have a link there direct from the app. You can just go direct, check what they are talking about, what people have been recommending, or what people have just commenting on the Play Store app, and you'll see if you want to go ahead and take a Timiza loan, right? So this is under a bank, and it's not a must you have the account with them. So they're giving out a loan amount from people, loan limit to people who are 18 to 60 years of age, right? Yeah, so you also must be a Kenyan citizen who has a national ID card. I always miss on these points. Who is don't take a loan or loan with someone else's details, because definitely it's going to not to allow you to get the limit, simply because when you're taking with someone else's details, definitely there is a point whereby you're not going to fill these details correct, and they'll detect that. Guess what? They're going to deny you that loan, right? Yeah, so the last one is branch loan. I know I've not been talking about branch loan because I assume that so many of us have gotten a loan from branch, right? If you're not one of them, I am one of them. those people have been taking loans from branch, and we know that branch can also allow you to take loans through your Facebook account. I don't know what they check on our Facebooks, but if you don't want to fill in all your details, you can just put your Facebook account. It will ask you to allow the application to take the details and stuff, right? And they're going to give you a loan limit. And the good thing about branch is when you pay on time and you pay them the correct amount of how you took it and how you agreed, you guys, they're going to always limit your loan, right? So please, when you're taking these loans, just make sure that you're repaying these loans on time. So branch is under a branch International Financial Service Limited. It has a blue logo. You guys know that it has a blue logo. I know most of you have met with branch or Tala, right? But today we're just specifying about branch. Branch is rated 4.4 stars on Play Store. It means that this app is doing so well. So they're giving out a loan amount of 5,000 to 300,000 Kenyan shillings. Their tenor is 62 to 12 months. That's 1 year, right? Depending on the loan amount that you took, the interest rate is 2 to 18%, which is so low, right? Which is so good. You can always take a loan from branch. Most of you have taken a loan from them, and maybe some of you are just meeting in this for the first time. So their APR is 22 to 229%, right? If you want to contact them, you can contact them through kenya@branch.co. Right? It means that these people have a website too. So if you don't want to visit the Play Store, you can always go to Chrome and find their website. You can also contact them direct or just download the app, because it will make your work easier, right? Yeah, so you've been watching me until now. You've not subscribed to this channel. Why is that? So we are here to save time. We are here to get knowledge. We are here to get loans in case you have that urge to get one. And we're also here to learn about websites that you can just work and earn money, right? So again, thank you for 10K subscribers, and I'm really hoping that my videos are changing your lives. I also hope that my videos are adding some value to your lives. And until my next video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to like this video. So ciao.